When you think about adventure, exploration, and versatility in the world of dual sport motorcycles, one name always seems to rise to the top: Honda. And for 2025, they've unleashed something truly special on the streets and trails. The Honda XR 300L Tornado. It's a machine that combines rugged reliability, off-road capabilities, and street-friendly versatility, all in one sleek, ready-to-ride package. But what makes the 2025 XR 300L Tornado stand out from the rest? Why should you even consider it when there are so many options out there? Well, let's break it down. Here are 7 reasons why the Honda XR 300L Tornado might just be the ultimate dual sport bike of the year. Let's start with the first reason: unmatched reliability. Honda's reputation for building bikes that last a lifetime is well known in the industry, and the XR 300L Tornado is no exception. This bike is built to handle the most demanding terrains, from rocky mountain trails to slippery, muddy tracks, without breaking a sweat. With Honda's legendary engine engineering and quality control, the XR 300L Tornado is designed to keep going when others are slowing down. It's reliable in the harshest conditions, meaning it's the kind of bike you can count on no matter where your adventure takes you. Next up is reason number 2, effortless handling and comfort. The XR 300L Tornado is designed with the rider in mind. It's incredibly lightweight, weighing just over 290 pounds, making it agile and easy to maneuver in tight spaces. Whether you're tackling a trail full of tight corners or cruising down a rough dirt path, this bike provides a stable and comfortable ride that's perfect for beginners and seasoned riders alike. The well-sorted suspension system, with its long travel front forks and rear shock, absorbs bumps and uneven terrain like a pro, ensuring a smooth ride over rough patches. Let's talk about the third reason: versatility for street and trail. The 2025 XR 300L Tornado is more than just an off-road bike. It's a true dual sport machine. The versatility of this bike shines through in its ability to perform well, both on the street and off the beaten path. It's street legal, which means you can take it on highways or cruise through city streets without worrying about getting pulled over. But when it's time to leave the pavement behind, the XR 300L's off-road capabilities come to life. With knobby tires and a sturdy suspension setup, this bike can handle it all. Urban streets and dirt trails, all with the same level of confidence. Reason number 4, excellent fuel efficiency. In 2025, fuel efficiency is more important than ever. The XR 300L Tornado is built to keep going longer and farther, with its efficient 291 cubic centimeter single-cylinder engine. The carbureted engine delivers solid power while still being incredibly fuel efficient. With an estimated range of over 200 miles on a single tank, this bike is perfect for long-distance rides and extended adventures. Whether you're exploring the countryside or riding through the city, you can be confident that you won't have to stop for gas as often, giving you more time on the road and less time at the pump. Reason number 5, durable and tough design. When you buy a Honda, you're investing in a machine that's built to last. The 2025 XR 300L Tornado is no exception. Honda engineers have made sure this bike can take a beating. From the rugged steel frame to the durable plastic bodywork, the XR 300L is made to endure the toughest rides. The air-cooled engine, while simple, is incredibly resilient and designed to handle the heat, even in the most demanding conditions. Whether you're riding through a sandstorm or a muddy trail, this bike won't let you down. Reason number 6, affordable price point. One of the best things about the 2025 Honda XR 300L Tornado is its affordability. For a machine that offers this level of versatility, reliability, and performance, it's priced very reasonably compared to other dual sport bikes in the market. If you're looking for an entry-level bike or an affordable option for both street and off-road riding, the XR 300L delivers exceptional value. It provides all the features of a high-end dual sport motorcycle without breaking the bank. And now let's talk about reason number 7, ease of maintenance. Honda motorcycles are known for their low maintenance costs, and the XR 300L Tornado is no different. With simple, easy-to-access components, regular maintenance like oil changes, air filter replacements, and chain adjustments are a breeze. You won't need to be a professional mechanic to keep this bike in top shape. Plus, Honda's extensive dealer network means finding parts and service is hassle-free, no matter where you are. So there you have it. 7 powerful reasons to consider the 2025 Honda XR300L Tornado for your next adventure. From its unmatched reliability and comfort to its unbeatable fuel efficiency and durability, this bike is ready to take on the world, whether it's paved or dirt.